Hi everyone, my name is Christian and I am an RPA enthusiasm. And with this channel, I would like to share to you how to use the UiPath in the real production environment. And if you like to create some automation that doesn't work for once, but it works for real companies' problem, then this channel is for you. Today marking my first day to create a UiPath tutorial video in my YouTube channel. And if you like to know UiPath more deeper, then you can stay tuned in my channel because I will upload more about UiPath tutorial in my channel. And today I will bring a topic called how RPA is really used in companies. So once we want to do some automation, we usually take the walkthrough from the businesses and we learn how they do it manually. And most of the time, once we know the process and we want to do automation, the business user they did not have provide us with the data, complete data, and maybe sometimes the systems are slow to be automated. And most of the time, users ask for the change requirement because they did not give the detail in the first place because of the process are messy. So I would like to help you understand what RPA actually look like in real world usage. And with that, I would like to first of all take a moment here to understand what is RPA and why UiPath. So RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation that use software robots to automate repetitive and also rule-based tasks. And this robot did not replace any humans. They only mimic how humans interact with the systems like clicking, typing, reading data, and moving information between applications. And the question is why UiPath? So basically UiPath is one of the tools that we can use for RPA. I mean, using automation to automate our businesses. There is several tools that we can use like Power Automate, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, etc. But the thing is, UiPath is one of the most popular RPA platforms in the world. And the second thing, UiPath is user friendly and has a drag and drop interface and also powerful enough for in enterprise scale automation. And the most thing that uh, really hype now is the agentic from UiPath as well. That's why many global companies choose UiPath as their RPA platform. And also the business impact on how UiPath will delivers. So basically, UiPath delivers like giving saving time more, reducing human error, and also increasing productivity. So that is the three big benefits that most of the departments have. And maybe there will be like more business impact, but that is the three big benefit based on my understanding. And also talking about the real business problems that UiPath solve, there is like several things here, and I will just take three as the major one, which is like invoice processing. Bots can reduce manual data entry by up to 80%, and then maybe on customer onboarding, especially in banking, UiPath helps connect multiple legacy systems, and also in IT support bots can handle high volume tasks like password resets automatically. And the more real example is one global bank reduced loan processing time from days to just hours by using UiPath both. So I will also give you some brief here about the leading companies that using UiPath for now. So I have like several example here. First of all, there is Uber, right? So Uber deploy more than 100 automation and achieved $22 million in savings with the UiPath or automation. And also for security benefit, they save around 40,000 labor hours in single year. And also for JP Morgan, they automate complex financial workflow, and also Yum Brands streamline global supply chain operations, and also GoDaddy improve customer service speed, and Deloitte together with UiPath has delivered over 1,200 automation worldwide. So yeah, there is like several benefits that leading companies already achieve by using UiPath. So next I will just like discussing about how companies benefit from UiPath automation. And I will just make it simple. So there is like several things here, like five things. So the companies usually have the higher productivity, easier scalability, better customer experience, and also lower costs with the faster decision making through data. So automation is no longer optional, but is competitive advantage. Now let's briefly talk about the UiPath ecosystem. So in here, actually, I already list down UiPath core components. Start with UiPath Studio, is where the developer build the automation, and the second one there is UiPath Orchestrator, and basically is the control center that used for deployment, scheduling, and also monitoring. And the third one is UiPath Robot. Basically, they are the workers. We use them to execute the process. And also, if you are new to the RPA tools, especially UiPath, the good news is you can practice everything you see here without paying anything, because UiPath offers a free community edition to use all these tools in UiPath. So you can try to use them, and yeah, just learning how to create some automation, and I will give you the walkthrough after this video. So today I will just gone through with the theory thing, and after this video I will give you how to do it in practice. So stay tuned to the next video, but for now I will just finish with the current presentation. So after you know this one, and you may be curious how company manage their automation using UiPath. So basically, most of the time UiPath project in companies are managed like real software only. So we still using version control with Git and centralized management in Orchestrator, and also we having reusable components and libraries that we use for several automation project that we can use. And some company run hundreds of bots every single day. So yeah, I think it's more similar with just like the real software do. And if you continue how to do the next thing after learning this part, you can go with the UiPath Academy. So you can start accessing the UiPath Academy to learn more based on your role. Maybe you want to learn how to become the solution architect in UiPath. You can go through with the solution architect learning plans also in UiPath Academy. So yeah, you can explore more how to do it in practice and also theory in UiPath Academy if you want. And also you can join the community forum, and maybe you can watch my YouTube tutorials after this video. So after this video I will uploading more about how we using UiPath in daily basis, how we automate the business processes from the real world problems, real world business processes. So I will go through with that, and also how we use Linky, something kind of like that in automation. So yeah, I will give some more tutorials after this video. And after you already done with the first three, then you can go with the certification path. So UiPath also provide us with the certification for each role. There is like advanced developer professional, and then there is solution architect professional, and then there is business analyst professional, software engineering professional, and everything else that you can find in uh, UiPath certification with Pearson View. So you can check that as well, and I will put the links on the description for your reference if you like to know deeper regarding the certification path. And last one before I close this tutorial, basically, if you are beginner in UiPath, this is the best time to start, starting with automate and then innovate and transform how works get done. And if this video help you to understand in general what is UiPath and what is the capability of UiPath, please like, subscribe, and share. And after this video, I will upload more regarding how we will do it in practice, how we will create some automation in practice. So stay tuned in my channel and see you soon. Thank you.